today we're gonna make some oatmeal for breakfast. It's a pretty simple recipe. I usually have it every morning. It's kind of like a staple. We're gonna build the base, and then from there we can add the toppings based off what we're feeling. So you're only gonna need a few ingredients. So I'm using these Irish oats. I like the consistency in my oatmeal, but you can use rolled oats as well. And then you're gonna use a mini pot to boil the water in. You're only gonna need 1.25 cups of water or milk based on what you want, and you're gonna bring that to a boil on your stovetop. And then once you pour it all in, I actually don't mix it right away. I just cover it once again and I wait a couple minutes. So now you're going to use a rubber spatula and you're just going to mix it in with the water. It's going to look a little liquidy, but don't worry about that right now. Once again, cover it with the lid. Okay, now that the oats are done, we're going to take them off and put them in our bowl. Okay, so next I'm going to cut up some fresh mango to put in my bowl. Typically I will do bananas with peanut butter, but the bananas are not ripe yet. So we're going to switch it up, and this is a tropical bowl. So I'm just going to go right ahead, add that to my oats. Probably don't pick it up with a knife like this. So then after I finish cutting up my mango, it is ready to eat. And I'm actually going to have it with a Twogood yogurt. For these, they're low-fat yogurts, and they only have 2 grams of sugar compared to a lot of yogurts, which are packed with sugar. So take a look at the label and definitely check out what kind of oat yogurt you're eating. But yeah, let's dig in.
just want one pretty flip. Nailed it. There's one.